Hagajingya Trailang Hapdeng ka State Cancer Society of Meghalaya Civil Hospital Ampati bat ka NPNCD Southwest Garo Hills kilala ban Pynlong ya ka Cancer Awareness Program bat free screening cam hinin kasngi kani ka program ka tmu ban kentiu ya ka jinglap ya ka jingpang ha kapor ka badang sedang I Dr. Anisha Maulong Iba Longru I Member Secretary jang ka State Cancer Society of Meghalaya, but I Dr. Danisha Momin, Iba Day ka Medical Superintendent of Ampati Civil Hospital, kilalam khamat ya kani ka program. Kajinglap ha kapor badang sedang kanyarap ban penlait im ya kibabuan kijing im. Kadai ka khubor kabami na kinong penyaj, kababancur halor kajing kongsan ban lap ya kijing pang ha kapor badang sedang kenang ban la banyakun persya yaka.
Halapangen na yesomepo
사칸딘단 내문사 증가대 아워레스 운다 내무 이바 아로 캔서 그거 말게 캔서 오가노바 우나 빙탕탕 아바치는 치랑 그쪽 나랑니 캔서 산니 사임랑 우니기문 이바이문 체크업 가나 나라 온게 시빌 호스피탈 나마바 엑시럴 카이문 기베리오 swallow wade namrakcha iba이문 가나 만나요 논 나수니 캔서 산니
Come forward, we have specifically come for the purpose of cancer screening. Now, why are we doing this cancer awareness and screening? We are going around all over the state we are starting with all the district hospitals, and this is part of the Meghalaya Cancer Mission, Cancer Prevention and Early Detection. We all know that Meghalaya has a very high incidence of cancer in the country, and we top the country in many of the cancers. So it has become very necessary for the public to know the status of cancer in the state, and the government is going all out investing in providing the cancer care services, the cancer screening services, so that people can be detected at early stages of